Kaameraamaanii warra yaadaan nu gargaaru warra bilbilu warra ammoo akkasumas asit volontarii nu gargaaru warra neersoota warra doktoroota warra staafii galatoomaa ulfaadhaa isiniin jechuu fedha. Maqaa dhahee hin fixuu fi like isinillee warra isin argaaru martinu maqaa dhahee hin fixuu fi galatoomaa jechuu fedha. Sagantaa kiyya ariifachiisuu fedheeti ulfaadhaa rabbi si waliin haa jiraatu. Yeah, I will. Okay, achi amma sagantaa keenya dafaa ofuu barbaanneeti. Thank you so much. Very nice. Yeah. I just take. My mom told me to just say some few words for you guys. I just wanna translate to you guys. I'm saying heartfelt thank you to our incredible mission team from Project Cure, traveling all the way to the Shaashamanneetti, Ethiopia, to serve those in need. Your compassion, dedication, sacrifice brought hope and healing for so many patients. Your kindness has made lasting impact to our community. We are truly grateful for our service. May God bless each of you with the good health, safe travel, abundant reward for every life in have touched. Thank you for making a difference. That's the message from my.
Oh, I didn't make any prepared remarks, and you're gonna make me cry, so we'll keep it short.
That's easy.
We want to thank you, all of you, for welcoming us, for your hospitality, for putting up with our eccentricities. Are you translating or no?
Yeah, I will. Just go ahead.
Okay. For understanding that we had a lot to learn, and we take away so much information and so much love from all of you. And I really want to thank my team. Raise your hands. These are incredible people, and you know that already, but I have to thank them as well for taking a risk. We've not been here before. I like to be the boss, you know that. But, you know, it's a big deal to come to a new place. And as soon as we landed here, we knew we were in great hands with everyone and loving hands. And so we thank you all for that.
Thank you so much. Galatoma ulfadha ummata na waliin jirullee taking care naa gootanii nullee waa baay'ee isinirraa baranne waa baay'ee gammanne waa baay'ee jiraannee jedhaatti harka dhaafi.